Tired of phone batteries that die before the day's done? Introducing the iPhone 16, a powerhouse of performance and battery life. Experience Apple intelligence. Effortlessly write, express yourself, and get things done with groundbreaking privacy. Your data stays yours. Take total control of your camera with new camera control features. Capture perfect shots in record time with easy access to zoom and depth of field. Get incredibly detailed macro photos and stunning high-resolution images with the improved ultra-wide and 48MP fusion cameras. Zoom in with the 2x optical quality telephoto. Unleash your creativity with the latest generation photographic styles. Make every photo uniquely yours and reverse styles anytime. Powered by the SuperSmart A18 chip, 2 generations ahead. Experience Apple intelligence, advanced photo and video features, and console-level gaming with exceptional power efficiency. iPhone 16, 256GB of pure innovation. Order yours today and experience the future in your hands.